Can you guess the missing number? Five. Let's see if you know this one. 11. Next up, are you prepared? 14. Any thoughts on this one? 23. Take a shot at this one. 8. Let's hear your answer. 18. Got the answer for this one? 27. Can you work this out? 10. Let's see your answer. 17. How about this one? 32. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.